Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are exploring serverless workers, the superheroes behind offline web experience. Think of them like a backup generator that kicks in when your connection drops, keeping things running smoothly. A service worker is a JavaScript file that runs in the background even when the set is not open. It can intercept network requests, cache important files, and serve them when the user is offline. When the internet is down, a service worker acts like a backup generator keeping your web app alive. That's why apps like Twitter Lite or Spotify on the web still work. Thanks to service workers. Here's a quick example. We register the service worker and in the hw.js file, we catch some access during the install event. Next time, this are the offline. The catch file are served, keeping the experience seamless.